Hey guys, welcome back. Today I'm going to be showing you a quick and easy anti-aging makeup routine. So I am 38. I'm super duper close to 40. I don't even know how the heck that happened. I was kind of on the hunt for some anti-aging makeup products. I actually had a lot of these products already in my makeup bag, and then I found a couple other ones that I was super excited to show you guys. And let's get into it. Okay, so I have already prepped my skin with this number 7 Lift and Illuminate Triple Action Day Cream. It is an SPF 30, and I also did put on my Rodan & Field's eye cream. And so now I'm going to go in with, I found this at Kohl's actually. I've never even heard of it, but I saw it said anti-aging, and I just had to have it. So it is a retinol vitamin enriched instant radiance booster primer, basically. It's from Skincare Cosmetics. I've never even heard of this brand. It was, I want to say it was like $16, which isn't horrible for what it is. I mean, that's pretty standard, but it brightens, illuminates, hydrates, firms for all skin tones. So I'm going to go ahead and prime the skin with this. And it does say you can use it alone for a luminous, radiant finish or under makeup as a glow primer. So after I let that sit in for a little bit, I am going to go in with my, this is from Rodan & Field's as well. This is called the Radiant Defense Perfecting Liquid Broad Spectrum SPF 30. So it's kind of like a tinted moisturizer. It doesn't have a lot of coverage, but just for all, like every day, this is perfect for that. But it does have the SPF, and it is going to have some anti-aging qualities in here too. You can totally apply this with a brush, sponge. I like to use my fingers. And my shade is shade 2 in beige. It only comes with 6 shades, I believe. So it's and I will say this stuff is a little bit on the pricier side. You're getting 1.69 ounces, so you're getting more than a regular foundation, but I want to say it's around $60, but a little bit does go a long way, so it is a little pricey, but it will last you a long time. Okay, after I let that kind of sit for a little bit and kind of, it doesn't feel sticky or anything, it just kind of actually just feels like moisturizer, so it feels good. Next, I'm going to go in with my Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and it looks like we're having a little bit of a problem up here. We just went up north, northern Arizona, and the elevation is a lot higher than here, and it looks like this was trying to explode a bit. So this might be a mess when I open it. I just love this concealer. Mine is in the color Light, and I don't think it's anti-aging, but it does say Age Rewind on it, so I thought that this would go good with this video. And it's just a really good concealer. Yeah, this made a huge mess. So there's a bunch in the cap. I'm actually just going to use my finger and just put it on with that right here. Oh boy. So with the concealer, I like to put it under my eyes and then a little bit on my eyelids too. And then I go in with a brush. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with my IT Cosmetics. This is called Your Skin But Better CC Plus Airbrush Perfecting Powder. And this is sheer to full coverage finishing veil. And this is what I like to put on just to kind of set everything. I don't like to use a lot because I have fine lines and wrinkles, and we all know what powder can do with the wrinkles. It can just make them look even worse. So I'm just gonna use a light bit of powder just to kind of set all over the face. And while I do have this powder out, I'm just gonna put a little bit on my eyelids, because sometimes like when I put my foundation or whatever on my eyelids, they start to crease. So I'm just gonna put a little powder on the eyelids too. Okay, next I'm gonna go in with my Rimmel London Natural Bronzer. I just bought this one the other day and I really, really like it. It's in the color 021 Sunlight. And it's just a really nice bronzer. I want to say it was like $4. So I'm a fan of this one. I usually use the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer, but I just wanted to pick something up a little more affordable. So I grabbed this one for $4. All right, and now that I have this bronzer out, I'm just gonna put a little, I don't usually do any eyeshadow, but I figured I'd do like just a quick little eye routine as well, just to show you guys what you can do with the few products, because I don't have a eyeshadow palette or anything right now. I'm just gonna use my bronzer and then a highlighter that I have. So I have this brush that I got from probably an Ipsy or a BoxyCharm, and this thing comes in so handy when I'm just in a hurry. It's got the little blending side over here, and then I can put on like a shimmer or something with that side. So I love using this brush. So I'm just gonna use a little bit of the bronzer and just put it in my crease. Okay, now I'm gonna go ahead and take, I just have this highlighter that is also from a BoxyCharm, I believe. And I'm just gonna put this on the eyelid just for a little bit of color because it's got a little bit of shimmer and I just think it's pretty. And then since I do have this out, I'm gonna go ahead and just put a little bit of highlighter on my high points of my face, just up here, and then a little bit on my nose. Okay, now I'm going to go in with my L'Oreal Lash Paradise and just put on a little bit of mascara. I love this mascara. I don't know if you guys have tried it. It's around $10, but I was at Costco a couple of months ago and they had a 3-pack for $10. So I got 3 of these for the price of 1 basically, or maybe it was $12. I don't remember. Whatever the price was, it was a smoking deal, so I had to grab them. But it's a really good drugstore mascara and I love it. Okay, so that is it. That is all I do for the makeup. I am going to go ahead and finish it off with this Glam Essentials Hello Cutie Hydrating Setting Spray. So I was going through all my stuff and trying to figure out like what products were anti-aging, and so I went on Amazon and I just searched for anti-aging makeup products or setting spray. I think I was looking for specifically for a setting spray, and this one popped up. It's got matcha green tea, hyaluronic acid, which is great for anti-aging, rose flower water, organic aloe vera, and DMAE. What is that? It's an organic compound with the formula blah, blah, blah. Okay, what does it do? Is it bad for you? It says it's believed to increase production of ASA something, a type of chemical that helps nerve cells to transmit signals. What the frick? Since it plays a key role in many brain functions, like learning and memory, proponents claim that taking DMAE in supplement form may boost brain health. What? Never even heard of that. Is it good for your skin? Increases the appearance of firmness, tone, and lift to the skin? Well, that's why it's anti-aging. I didn't even know. I've never even heard of that. Also improves the appearance of skin elasticity and luminosity, helping to decrease the look of fine lines and wrinkles. I had no idea, you guys. Is paraben, sulfate-free, cruelty-free, no artificial dyes. Okay. Thanks, Amazon. I'll put a link to this too if you guys want to check it out. It was 20 bucks. But yeah, I had no idea that it had all this. I should have read it a little better. I've only been using it a couple days. So, all right. So after I spray my setting spray, I just kind of like to take a sponge and kind of press it into my under eyes because I feel like that is where my skin gets the driest, and I don't know. If this is supposed to be anti-aging, I feel like if I press it into those under eyes, maybe it'll make those wrinkles go away, right? All right, then to finish it off, I'm just gonna put on some of my Milani Keep It Full lip gloss. This is in the color Sparkling Pink, and it just has a little bit of shimmer to it. I love this stuff. All right, you guys, that does it for my quick and easy anti-aging makeup routine. I hope you guys enjoyed. This is such an easy little routine that you can do very quickly. It took me a little bit longer because I was talking about some products and whatnot. You wear this during the day, and then if you're going somewhere at night, throw on some eyeliner, throw on a little bit darker eyeshadows, and you are good to go. I don't usually do these types of videos on my channel, but I love beauty and all things makeup and skincare and all that. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and we'll see you all soon. Bye.